Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Defcon knives Barracuda JK Jungle Knife for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what do we have here. We are gonna need a T8 for this guy, but I think a T6 for the handle screws, and we're gonna start from those. So let's just start from this side over here. This screw is out. Pretty simple construction over here. This is another one, and then you change your bit. You put the T8, and this is keyed in, right? Oh yeah, so that side is keyed in. So don't do anything crazy on that side. Boom, that's it. Pretty much straightforward disassembling for this guy. Then I'm just gonna use some like microfiber cloth. I'm just using some alcohol on it like that, in order for me to be able to remove some gunk, some of the grease that's around these bearings. 1, 2, and the other one is over here. Yeah, so that's how you clean some of these bearings. And we're just gonna clean the track, the pockets, and the blade as well, because it was greasy. So that's done. We're gonna clean also the scales, which by the way are titanium. Nicely done for a cheap knife. Okay, so that is good. Some stainless steel washers slash spacers. You've got a nice titanium pocket clip with a ball. Reminds me a little bit of a bag. I don't know, but similar. It's not the same. And this is pretty much it. You can also remove some grease on the mat, and that is it. Basically, you are done. So you're just gonna need a little bit of nano oil, 10 weight, for the bearing, like so. This guy can be like this, and then just a couple drops in the track, like that. Cleaning up the remaining oil, and then what else? Just like this goes in. Maybe you want to use some 85 weight nano oil. You can just use something like this. So this is the amount I'd like to use, just like that. That is exactly how much you need on the detent ball. And then okay, so this guy needs to be keyed in, you see, D-shaped and D-shaped here. So we need to keep this guy like so. Okay, so we can actually just rotate this way and have it come back like this, and like so. So make sure that is keyed in, as you can see. Then I'm gonna use, I'm gonna screw in just a pivot just to keep everything in place, like that. It's not fully tightened. And then just change, use a T6, and just flip the knife over, and just screw these back. 1 and 2. So that is done. Okay, and then I can start from the heel, just tightening down this and that, and here and here. That's good. And then swap, change the T8, use the back, because that's where the, oh guys, absolutely improved action on this. Wow, I'm honestly impressed. Blade is centered, There's no blade play. Wow. Yeah, of course. Beautiful action on this Barracuda. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.